Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Flowise DIY and N8N. Flowise DIY do-it-yourself with LangChain or agents, and N8N are tools used to build automation and workflows, especially for AI and data-driven projects, but they each offer a different experience and are better for different users. Flowise is a no-code and low-code visual builder made for creating AI workflows using LangChain under the hood. It's great if you want to chain together large language model like OpenAI or cloud databases and prompts without writing much code. You can drag and drop components to create chatbot flows, search tools, or AI agents. It's easy to set up, visually clear, and good for people who want to work with AI but don't have deep coding experience. It's ideal for prototyping or building custom AI tools fast. DIY, do-it-yourself, here refers to manually building workflows using coding libraries like LangChain or custom scripts. This gives you complete control. You decide every detail of how your agents behave, what tools they use, and how they interact. It's powerful and flexible but requires good Python skills and time. This is the best option for developers who want a full customization and don't mind coding everything from scratch. N8N is a general-purpose automation platform that connects hundreds of apps and services. It's visual tools, and while it wasn't made just for AI, you can plug in APIs like OpenAI, Google Sheets, Notion, Telegram, etc. You can create workflows that trigger based on events like getting an email, receiving a webhook, or scheduling a task. It's open source, can be self-hosted, and is ideal for both personal use and business automation. So overall, Flowise is best for building visual AI workflows without code, great for chatbots, assistants, and prototypes. DIY wins for full control and custom AI agent development, ideal for advanced developers. N8N is best for automating tasks across apps and services, perfect for non-AI workflows or combining AI with real-world triggers. If your focus is AI plus simplicity, Flowise wins. If you want full coding freedom, go with DIY. If you want a general automation with tons of integrations, N8N is the most flexible. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.